Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Outlook. This is especially useful if you're working in a multilingual environment or simply prefer navigating Outlook in your native language. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account to load in your emails. Make sure you're fully signed in and can see your inbox before moving forward. This ensures that all the settings we're about to change will be properly saved to your account. Once your email has loaded, we'll begin changing the language in Outlook. Navigate to the File menu located on the top part of your screen where your tools and menus are located. Click on the File tab. This is where Outlook stores most of its important account and application settings, so you'll be visiting this section whenever you need to make significant changes to how Outlook behaves. Once the File menu has opened, look for the Outlook Options link at the very bottom of the menu and click on it. This opens up the main settings hub for Outlook, where you can customize everything from notifications to appearance. An Options menu will appear with several categories on the left side. From the Outlook Options window, click on Language. This section is dedicated entirely to language preferences, both for display and for editing. Under the Language section, look for the Office Display Language area. This controls the language used for menus, buttons, and all interface elements in Outlook. Click on Add a Language. A language window will appear showing you a comprehensive list of available languages that Outlook supports. Scroll through the list and select which language you wish to use. Once you've made your selection, it will be added to your language window. Once the language has been added, click on it to select it. Then click on Set as Preferred. This tells Outlook that this is now your primary display language. You may need to restart Outlook for the changes to fully take effect, so don't be surprised if you're prompted to do so. After restarting, you'll notice that all menus, buttons, and interface text will now appear in your newly selected language. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in Outlook, making it easier and more comfortable for you to manage your emails in the language you prefer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.